की तफसीलात दोहा में समाजी तरक्की के आलमी कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी ने कहा कि कतर की क़यादत को कॉन्फ्रेंस के इनेकाद पर खराज तहसीन पेश करते हैं। सदर जरदारी ने इसराइली जारियत की शदीद मजम्मत की।
Devastation for our people in the forms of large-scale floods and forest deployment of people on the forest areas has gone down. On the other hand, we face a new threat in the form of water weaponization. We are investing in resilient adaptation, restoring protective livelihood, ensuring that growth remains green, inclusive and long-lasting. The people of Kashmir have struggled generations after generation against state terrorism, imperative of the right to self-determination, justice for the people of Palestine and people of Kashmir, two sides of the same coin. They can only achieve through the implementation or interaction law of the UN resolution and moral clarity of the international community. We in Pakistan